Who on earth likes to visit a dentist, right? But there could be many reasons why you would be left with no option but to visit one. Do you know that there are 9 types of dental specialists and it's better to visit the one who specializes in the problem you have? Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hina, the sole voice behind Dr. Teeth. And before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because here I create helpful dental videos similar to this one to help you all. And if you leave a like and a motivating comment, it will really make my day. Now that you have done that, let's begin. The most common reason that you would want to visit a dentist is toothache or pain in the mouth. Other reasons could be cosmetic reasons, that you might want a whiter teeth, or you might be having crooked teeth, which we call malocclusion, means the teeth are not aligned properly, or might be that your gums are visible when you smile and you don't like that gummy smile. Remember Akshay Kumar? Or you want replacement of your missing teeth. There could be several reasons, right? So there are different specialists and one of them could be the best choice for your current dental problem. Let's talk about the first scenario. You have dirty teeth or yellow teeth, or you see your gums receding, or your teeth are moving. That is, they are mobile, okay? Or you see your gums while smiling, or you have gum bleeding while brushing, or even spontaneously. The best dentist to visit for such problem is a periodontist. They are specialists of the gum. Now, if you have a toothache or you see a hole in your tooth or kind of blackness in your tooth with a hole, the most likelihood reason behind this is caries. That is, your tooth has decayed. If you have malformed, discolored, non-aesthetic or fractured teeth, or you have infection in your teeth, the best dentist to visit in such cases is an endodontist because he specializes in this field. He is a root doctor. The next scenario is when you want replacement of your missing teeth or replacement of your missing body parts like eyes, ears, fingers, palate. In such cases, you would want to visit you would need to visit a prosthodontist. Then, if you want to get your teeth removed or pulled out, or God forbid, there is a facial fracture or a tumor, or you need to surgically correct your jaws, then you would need to visit a maxillofacial surgeon. They treat injuries and defects of the mouth and the maxillofacial, that is the jaw and the face region. Then if you or your kid's teeth are not aligned properly, you feel there is spacing in between your teeth, or the teeth are overlapping, or the jaws are not aligned properly, maybe your lower jaw is forwardly placed, then the best person to visit is a orthodontist. They can treat such conditions, and if you visit them timely, they can even prevent most of these problems from occurring. Then, if you have a problem related to your child, only dental problems, okay, the best person to visit is a pediodontist because they specialize in the dental problems of children. They look after the oral health needs of children from birth till adolescence. Now we have specialists in oral medicine and radiology. They are experts in clinical examination, diagnosis, investigations, radiographic examination, and medical management of lesions related to oral cavity. A very common example is a person who has started feeling that his mouth is no longer opening. So that is called as oral submucous fibrosis. So for such condition, the best person to consult first will be a specialist in oral medicine and radiology. Oral pathologists are experts in knowing the causes of diseases that alter or affect the oral structures, that is the lip, teeth, cheek, jaws, as well as parts of the face and neck. Then coming to specialists in public health dentistry, these are experts in prevention and control of dental disease and promotion of dental health through organized community efforts. They deal with more of general dentistry at the outreach levels and also deal with research on oral health care. Now remember that even a general dental practitioner is good enough to take care of most of your dental problems. I know of many general practitioners who are excellent in their clinical work, and also we all specialists, we work in coordination. So you might need to consult more than one specialist, and none of them is better than the other. We are just specialists in different fields. You understand, right? Like an eye doctor, a doctor of heart, okay? So you won't want to visit an eye doctor for your heart problem, right? Similarly, we have different specialities in dentistry, and one might be better for treating a specific disease or condition than the other. But nevertheless, all the qualified dental practitioner can very well handle and treat most of your dental problems. So if you are confused, just visit any good dental practitioner, and if needed, they will themselves refer you to the specialists. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, give me a green signal by liking this video. Also, share this video with your family to create awareness. I'll see you in the next video. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.